Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the Hamilton Beach 33662 Programmable Slow Cooker, a versatile kitchen companion that brings the convenience of stovetop searing directly to your countertop. With its 6-quart stovetop-safe sear and cook crock, you can lock in flavors by searing your ingredients on gas, electric, or ceramic stovetops before slow cooking them to perfection. This slow cooker offers 15 heating options, allowing you to mix and match high, low, or warm heat settings with cooking times ranging from 2 to 10 hours, making it ideal for a variety of recipes. Perfect for serving 7 or more people, its generous capacity can handle a 6-pound chicken or a 4-pound roast, making it a great choice for family meals or holiday gatherings. Once your cooking time is up, the automatic keep warm feature ensures your food stays at the perfect temperature until you're ready to serve. Cleanup is a breeze, as the removable crock and lid are dishwasher safe, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your meal and less time scrubbing dishes. Experience the blend of convenience and flavor with the Hamilton Beach 33662, and elevate your cooking game effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.